Lindsay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you a fun basic hip hop routine that's good for all ages. So let's watch that preview and get started. 6, 7, 8. We're going to cut back to and. So we're just bringing that knee up and back behind us. We're going to slide to the side, 3, and throw it up, 4, bring it back down on and. So once again, you step, 1, snap it up, 2, and slide it, 3, and 4, and. From here, we're going to circle, 5, and do it again the other way, 6, and now we're going to do a fast turn. You're going to step, you're going to push off that foot, turn all the way around, and jump it down to 8, pull it up on and. So that entire 8 count, you step 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Good, let's try it just a little bit faster. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and step. Turn down, up. Good. From there, we're going to bring it around. 1, and drop it on 2. And I'm just in that good solid plie. I'm going to bounce it 3 times. 3, and 4. So once again, you're here. Bring it around. 1, and 2. Drop it. 3, and 4. I'm going to step to the side. 5, and 6. I'm going to bring this leg around. 7. I'm going to snap it in on 8. So that whole 8 count from here. We're coming up. 1, and 2. Bounce it. 3, and 4 to the side. 5, and 6. Bring it around, 7, and 8. Good, let's piece that together from the beginning. So you step 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and circle 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and bring it around. 1, and 2 to the side, 3, and 4. Bring it up, 5, and 6, around, 7, and 8. Good, let's try that a little bit faster. 6, ready, go. Step 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and circle, circle, step. Turn down, up. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, from here, we're going to do ponies. So you're going to touch, knee, touch, drop, touch, knee, ball, change. So our arms are here. We're going to bring it up. And 1, and drop. And 3, and drop. Into that good, solid plie again. Once again, you're here. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. From here, we're going to push it up. 5, and 6, and we're going to bring this knee to the ground. 7, we're going to bring it out. 8. From there, we're going to bring it in. 1, we're going to push it up. And 2. We're going to go to the side. 3, and a 4. Good, let's take it back just a little bit. So you're here. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2 to the side, 3, and 4. From here, let's just go ahead and finish the choreography. You're going to step in, and then twist it, and then do it again to the other side, step, and twist. Our hands from here, we're just going up, snap with one hand, then we're doing it with 2 hands, up, Step with both hands. Now we're stepping to the side, 7. We're gonna grab and we're gonna pull it into our hips on 8. And that finishes our choreography. So let's take it back to those last 2 counts of 8. We're here, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, to the side, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, grab, pull. Good. Let's take it back to the very beginning and piece that together nice and slow. 6, ready, go. You step 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, round 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and drop, open, close, and 2 to the side, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right, let's try that one more time, just a little bit faster before we piece it together with the music. 6, 7, 8. You step 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and circle, circle, step, turn, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and a 4, 5, and 6, and 7, grab, pull. Alright guys, it is now time to piece this one together with the music. Remember, you can always speed it up or slow it down based upon your abilities. Good luck and try your best. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below for fresh new videos every week.